Hello guys, welcome to TechBuzz. If you are an iPhone user, you may know that Apple products have one of the tightest security system and bypassing it is really hard, especially removing the iCloud account. And this situation mainly occurs when you bought a used iPhone with someone else's Apple ID already logged in, or you forgot the password of your Apple ID and now you are not able to download any apps on your iPhone. But today I'll show you how to remove iCloud account and wipe lock screen password from your iPhone in just few minutes. For that, we will use iMyFone Lock Wiper. Lock Wiper can help you to bypass most of the security features of iPhone in just few clicks. It supports latest iOS 15 firmware and latest iPhone models like iPhone 13 series as well. It's available for both Windows and Mac PC. The link of the app is mentioned in the description below. You can check the details from the link. Although this app is not free, but it's worth of every penny, as you can use iMyFone Lock Wiper to remove Apple ID from any iPhone. It can help you to remove password from the lock screen, remove screen time password and bypass mobile device management screen in just few clicks. But before going ahead, make sure you are using the latest and official version of the app to avoid any issue. So first I'll show you how to remove Apple ID from any iPhone. For that, connect your iPhone to PC using the USB cable. Once it is connected, the app will automatically move to the next step. So now the app will warn you that the following procedure will erase the data on your smartphone and you should not disconnect your phone during the process. And before going ahead, I would like to mention in which situations this app works. First one is if Find My iPhone is disabled, then all firmwares are supported. If Find My iPhone is enabled, then only iOS 11.4 and below are supported. And last one is if two-step verification is on, then this app will work on iOS 11.4 and later versions. So as you can see, my iPhone is running on iOS 15.1 and Find My iPhone is disabled on my iPhone. So now I will go ahead with the process by clicking Start. The process of unlocking your Apple ID has started, and in a matter of few seconds, the associated Apple ID will be removed from the iPhone. So the process is complete and Lock Wiper has successfully removed the Apple ID from the iPhone. Now just wait for the iPhone to boot up. Now just enter the lock screen password which was there on your iPhone before the process. Now again enter the same password. Now you are at the welcome screen of the iPhone. Just do the regular steps which you do in order to activate your phone when it's new. So after the setup, we are finally back to the home screen. And if you check my iCloud settings, then you can see the associated Apple ID has been removed completely with the help of Lock Wiper app. And the phone was not wiped out completely as my Wi-Fi password and some apps are already there in the phone. Some data like photos and videos have been wiped out, but third-party apps like WhatsApp still have data in them. As you can see, the chats are still there. So the phone has been not completely wiped out, so that's a good point. So you can use Lock Wiper app to remove Apple ID from any iPhone in just few clicks. Another feature of iMyFone Lock Wiper that's really helpful is that it can help you to remove lock screen password of your iPhone. Like if you forgot the password and your phone has been disabled, you can unlock it, and to do this, we will select the unlock screen password feature. The app will warn you that this process will wipe the data on your phone and it will be updated to latest firmware. In order to go ahead, click Start. Now just connect your iPhone to PC using the USB cable and click Next. Now the app will display the steps you need to follow to put your phone into recovery mode. You can select your iPhone model from the top and follow the steps accordingly. So the phone is now into recovery mode and app has automatically moved to the next step. Here it shows the latest firmware available for my phone, model number and the path where the firmware will be downloaded. By clicking download, the app will automatically download the required firmware for you. Or you can copy the download link from here and paste it in your browser to download the firmware yourself. And if you have already downloaded the firmware file, then just click select and locate the IPSW file. The app will start extracting the firmware file and it may take some time. Extraction process is complete, and to unlock the phone, we will click unlock. Now just enter the password that's shown on the screen and click unlock. The password removal process has started and it may take around 10 to 15 minutes. You don't need to do anything, just sit back and relax and don't touch or disconnect your phone until you get a process complete message. So the unlock process is complete and the phone is booting up now. The phone has finally booted up to the welcome screen. The phone is back to factory settings like it was bought new. So now you just need to set up your device by the regular method. And if you have already backed up your device earlier on the cloud, you can restore it once your phone has started. So you will not lose any important data. The setup is complete and the phone is back to the home screen. But this process has wiped out all the data on my iPhone. So using Lock Wiper, we have successfully bypassed the lock screen in just few minutes. So you don't need to visit the service center if you forget your iPhone password. You can do it yourself using the unlock screen password feature of the Lock Wiper app. So that was all about iMyFone Lock Wiper app, which can be really helpful to get out of some really tricky situations on your iOS device. You can download the app from the iMyFone site. The link is mentioned in the description below. You can either buy a monthly, yearly or lifetime license as per your need. If you have any doubts regarding the iMyFone Lock Wiper app, you can ask me in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, do hit the like button. Also don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get updates on our new video uploads. Also follow me on Instagram on techbuzz.insta page and techbuzz Facebook page. We will be back with another video soon. Till then, stay tuned.